good morning everyone. Okay, so today we are going to learn about farm animals. Yes, you are correct. This is cow. And today we are going to learn about farm animals. So do you know who are farm animals? Farm animals are those who help us in our daily routines. Like, this is cow. Yes. And how cow help us? Yes. Cow gives us milk. Very good. Cow gives us milk. And cow lives in a farm. Yes? Okay, so let's learn about other animals also. So here you can see I have a picture of farm and you can see here we have so many animals. Yes, so first of all identify them. Tell me, what animal is this? Yes, you are correct. This is pig. Very good. Now you can see we have other animal also in our farm. And this is sheep. Very good. This is sheep. And sheep gives us wool. Very good. Sheep gives us wool. Excellent job. Now, this is cow. Good job. This is cow, and cow gives us milk. Very good. Cow gives us milk, and milk is so healthy for us. Yes? Very good. Now next. Yes, this is duck, and duck lives in a farm. Duck is also a farm animal. Okay? So tell me, what duck gives us? Duck gives us eggs. Very good. Good job. Duck gives us eggs. Now you can see here we have horse. Good job. This is horse. Okay, so tell me, horse is helping us to take a ride. Very good. So this is a horse, and horses also lives in a farm. Good job. Okay, so next here we have one more animal. You can see we have a hen. Good. So tell me, hen gives us what? Hen gives us, yes, eggs. Very good. And chicken also. Good job. Okay, so these are farm animals and they all live in a farm. So I have some more cutouts of farm animals and I'll show you. Okay, so be ready for that. Okay everyone, so you can see here I have hen, as we learned before also. Hen gives us egg. And you know what? Hen's baby is called chicken. And hen says, cock-a-doodle-doo. Okay? So this is a hen. Very good. Now, yes, it looks like real sheep now. Yes, this is sheep. Very good. This is sheep. And you know what? Sheep gives us wool. Sheep gives us wool. When we feel cold now, then we wear a woolen coat and a woolen sweater. So that coat and sweater made up of wool. Very good. Now we have pig. Very good. This is pig. And you know what? The pig baby is called piglet. Very good. Now, what is this? Yes, this is a donkey. And Donkey help us to take loads. Yes, when we have to take something heavy, donkey help us to carry those loads on their back. Okay. So one more animal we have. Yes, this is sheep. I'm sorry, this is goat. Yes, this is goat. Yes, and you know what? Goat says ba. Say ba. Very good. And you know what? Goat gives us meat. Yes, goat gives us meat. Now, you can see we have, yes, a cow. And the cow gives us milk. And you know what? Cow says moo. Okay. Now I have one more picture of farm animal. And he gives us right. Yes. So this is horse. Very good. This is horse. And horse says nah. Okay. Horse says nah. So this is horse. So they are farm animals and they live in a farm and we use them in our domestic work. Okay. So revise them. Okay. Thank you. Hope you like it.